This is an explanation of line calls. The call history is very convenient. How to start a line call. 1. Tap the Line app on your smartphone. 2. In the Friends list, tap the friend you want to call. 3. Tap Free Call or Video Call. 4. Tap the phone icon at the top right of the chat room. 5. Tap Free Call or Video Call to start the call. Next, here's an explanation of a useful feature: how to view your call history. Do you see the call icon at the bottom of your line screen? Or is the news icon displayed instead? Call and news are selectable options. If the news icon is displayed, here's how to switch from news to call. Having the call icon makes calling much easier. First, tap the home icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the gear settings icon at the top right of the screen. In the settings screen, tap Calls. Scroll down on the Calls screen. Tap Call/News Display at the bottom. There is a checkmark next to News. Tap Calls to select it and place the checkmark there. Now, the call icon will be displayed. Then, tap the X icon to close the screen. On the home screen, you will see the call icon at the bottom. Tap this call icon. When you tap it, a screen like the one below will appear. Tap the phone icon to make a call. Tap your friend's icon. The date and time of your calls with friends will be displayed. Line call history is very convenient.